Little is known so far. Insiders are confident that the successor to SE will receive the most powerful Apple A13 Bionic processor to date. The same chipset is in the latest iPhone 11 and 11 Pro. But the RAM will be smaller, only 3GB, versus 4GB for Pro. Manufacturers clearly decided to save on internal memory. According to insiders, Apple will introduce smartphones in two configurations, with 64 and 128GB of space. Naturally, expanding the storage with a flash drive will not work. As for the camera, here, too, without any surprises. Most likely, it will be a single sensor with a resolution of 12 megapixels. The 7-megapixel front camera is also single, and even without True Depth technology, Face ID will not be supported, as well as creating an Animoji. Extra chips. iPhone 9 should support protection against water and dust according to the IP67 standard. It can be kept for half an hour underwater at a depth of up to a meter. And insiders talk about the presence of wireless charging. It sounds believable, because the smartphone will have a glass back panel. How much is it and when will it be released? Well-known analyst Min-Chi Kuo is confident that the new model with 64GB of memory on board will be sold in the US for $399. The same price for iPhone SE in 2016. But you need to understand that gadgets come to Russia with a large margin. So the first time the device will probably be given for $400. The official SE price at the start of sales was $500. But with the release of the device on the market, not everything is clear. The presentation should take place on March 30th or 31, and the start of sales is scheduled for April 3rd. This was assured by insiders close to the supply chain. However, coronavirus can affect Cupertin's plans. Due to the epidemic in China, Apple may postpone the release of iPhone 9, because suppliers do not have time to start mass production on time. The company has already sent an official statement to its investors, where it reported a slowdown in the operation of plants in connection with the outbreak of the virus. Therefore, even if the 9 is announced on time, it can appear on the shelves only after a month or even later.